Adjacent angles are two angles that share a common side and vertex. These three features make adjacent angles easy to pick out. A vertex is the point at the intersection of two linear constructions, either a line, line segment, or ray. You can mix and match these to create vertices in many ways. You see vertices in the corners of polygons, as central angles in circles, and when linear constructions like parallel lines and transversals cross. A common side is one line, ray, or line segment used to create two angles sharing the same vertex. Both angles use the common side and one other side. Adjacent angles are always pairs and never overlap. Let's see how one vertex of a square can demonstrate adjacent angles. Here we have a simple square, formed by four sides creating four vertices: angle W, angle H, angle I, and angle Z. If we connect point W with point I, we construct diagonal WI. This creates two additional angles at point W, angle ZWI and angle HWI. Notice both those angles share a common vertex at point W and a common side, line segment WI. This means that angle ZWI and angle HWI are adjacent angles. When adjacent angles create a straight line, they are a linear pair. The sum of their angles is 180 degrees, or pi radians. Here is a linear pair. You can see that ray AT is the common side, and angle A is the common vertex. Now let's discuss parallel lines and transversals. Here are parallel lines CP and MN cut by transversal IK. Where the transversal cuts across them, we have points H and U. Not only does this construction form 8 adjacent angle pairs, but all those pairs are linear pairs. Okay, now let's look at a new example. Today is your best friend's birthday. To celebrate, you bake a birthday cake and slice it into eighths. Are all the angles of the cake adjacent angles? Your answer should be no. Angle IMY is adjacent to both angle RMI and angle YMN, but notice that angle RMI is not adjacent to angle YMN, even if both angles share vertex M. Adjacent angles must share both a common vertex, point M, and a common side. Angle RMI does not share a common side with angle YMN. Can you find any linear pairs in your birthday cake? We hope so. For each diameter of your birthday cake, 3 linear pairs exist. To see that, we can take just one line segment, YA, as an example. You can create the straight line YA with these 3 linear pairs: angle YMI and angle IMA, angle YMR and angle RMA, and angle YMZ and angle ZMA. Remember, adjacent angles are two angles sharing a common vertex and a common side. They appear in many places but are prominent in parallel lines cut by transversals.